Welcome to the 2022 Critical Minerals Mapping Initiative Forum. The initiative is a joint research program between the Geological Survey of Canada, the United States Geological Survey, and Geoscience Australia. My name is Eric Potter, and I'll be your moderator today. My colleague, Chris Lawley, also from the Geological Survey of Canada, will be monitoring the chat and compiling your questions for the speakers. Today, presenters from each of the three geological surveys will provide the latest updates to the initiative, including the Critical Mineral Portal, which can be found at criticalminerals.org, the Critical Minerals and Ores database, its underlying deposit classification system, as well as new critical mineral research and modeling results. After all the presentations in about 1.5 hours, we will open up a live session and question and answer period that will allow the participants to ask speakers about their critical mineral and public geoscience research. However, before I begin and before I introduce the speakers, I'd like to thank the American Geosciences Institute for hosting the forum today and providing technical support. Our first speaker of the forum is Albert Hofstra, a research geologist with the United States Geological Survey in Denver. Since 2009, his research has focused on deposits containing critical minerals, and he currently leads the Systems Approach to Critical Minerals project. Today, Dr. Hofstra will provide an update on the deposit classification scheme developed with experts from the Geoscience Australia and the Geological Survey of Canada for Critical Minerals and Ore database and some examples of its use. Our next speaker, Simon van der Wielen, is a data scientist with Geoscience Australia. His research ranges from prospectivity modeling, remote sensing, to other advanced exploration technologies. Today, Dr. Van Wielen will be providing an update on the most recent data releases within the Critical Mineral Portal. Next, Mary Bonado is a director at Geoscience Australia with scientific expertise ranging from geodynamics and tectonics to numerical modeling. Her most research led to a new national 3D cover map for Australia, which represents an essential dataset for discovering buried ore deposits. Today, Dr. Bonado will be presenting an update on some of the latest modeling results conducted as part of the Exploring for the Future program. Next, Lois Corvo is a research scientist at the Geological Survey of Canada who has extensive experience in field methods, mineralogy, and the geochemistry applied to the study of metasomatic iron and alkali calcic mineral systems. Her rigorous observational framework has radically changed our understanding of metasomatic deposits and has led to the re-evaluation of prospectivity within metamorphosed terrains in Canada and abroad. Today, Dr. Corvo and her co-authors will be highlighting the critical mineral potential of iron oxide, copper, and gold in affiliated deposits. Omid is a research scientist at the Geological Survey of Canada who specializes in sedimentary petrology and geochemistry. His recent research on mineral speciation is providing new insights on the mobility of critical minerals at and below the surface. Today, Dr. Articani will discuss the rare earth element potential of organic-rich shale deposits. Finally, our final speaker of the forum today will be Greg Case, who's a research scientist with the United States Geological Survey, who integrates geochemistry and geospatial analysis to assess the mineral potential for a range of ore systems. His research on archived stream sediment samples from Alaska provides an important foundation for further prospectivity modeling. And today, Dr. Case will present new research on graphite deposits in Alaska. Once again, thanks for joining us, and I hope you enjoy the presentations.